Now let's click on continue in order to get more specific. All right, so I would say continue. Now right here it says generate a style. All right, now we are generating a prompt style. Okay, now let's click on prompt. So guys, at this stage we are going to be describing a preferred style for our project. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to come right here and then I would say a modern landing page with a navigation bar, a hero section with a call to action button, and 3 features cards below. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, it says a modern landing page with a navigation bar, a hero section with a call to action button, and 3 feature cards below. All right, now let's go ahead and select one of these. Okay?